Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be doing our first paycheck to paycheck budget setup. It's still quite shocking that we are in March. I'm still feeling under the weather. It's been like a week and I'm just so tired of being sick. If I don't get over this by next week, I'm just gonna have to go to the doctor and bite the bullet on that doctor's bill so he can give me some antibiotics or something. I don't feel bad, I just don't feel good, and I want to say ear infection, but it's not a bad ear infection. It kind of just feels like swimmer's ear, you know, but it doesn't hurt. So I'm gonna try to tough it out a few more days and see how it goes. But I am going to be using a MonkeyLime sticker kit. I will have a link down below for you guys if you guys are interested in any of these kits. She does have other kits available as well for the other months in the year, and she has graciously gave me a discount code. I don't get any money from it. It's not an affiliate link. It is just a discount for you guys to bring you guys savings. I mean, we are budgeting, so we need to save as much coins as we can. I will have that code below. It is Cassandra 15, and it'll save you 15% off of whatever you guys purchase. Like I said, I don't get anything from it, but she was just nice enough to give that for me and for you guys. So I hope you guys go and check her out, and if you do, just let her know that you are coming from my channel. Also, if you are a new viewer, I hope you guys consider subscribing and hitting the notifications bell so you can continue this journey with me on becoming debt free. So we're gonna jump right into it. I am going to go ahead and zoom you guys in because I like it when it's close so I can see what they're writing and see what's going on and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna zoom you guys right in. I'm gonna be using the sticker part, the sticker kit for MonkeyLime. Like I said, I'm gonna use this first paycheck here. So let me flip this bad boy around. Excuse me, like I said in one of my other videos, I'm loving her kit because one, the washi isn't super big, and if you're like me and you have a lot of bills, it's so nice to be able to, it doesn't take up so much real estate. Let's just put it that. It doesn't take up a lot of real estate. I do use real numbers. This is going to be mine and my husband's check. We do get paid weekly. We are both salary. We do get some bonuses, I guess you could say. We don't get paid overtime, but we do get a $100 bonus if we work on the weekend. But it's, you know, some days it's worth it and sometimes it's not worth it. So I don't plan for that, and I just use our regular base, our regular salary base. So that's the same thing that I'm going to be doing in this budget setup as well. All right, so let's make sure you guys can see that. I got some washi down here to kind of like tell me how far I can and can't go without getting out of frame. Okay, so we are going to use my income. So I just put mine. I should put mine. I usually put mine or me, and I'm gonna put his. Okay, and you think I would know this already, but I surely do not for whatever reason. But my normal salary is $549. That is $549.24, and my husband's is $634. What is that? 17. And we do plan to get paid on the 1st. So we'll leave it at that. We are now going to be doing our, actually, I don't see a total income, total expenses, and remaining funds. So because I'm not used to this kit, let's see what we got. So will I be using the total income here, or would that be down at the bottom? Because it's kind of like 2 in 1. We have a total expenses. I think I'm gonna use it at the, I want to say the bottom, because at the end I'll like do everything at the bottom, right? Okay, so I'm going to put my bills and expenses next. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, chicken. If you guys hear anybody, that's my husband. He's in the background. He's always playing his game. And unfortunately, he has gotten a little sick. I don't want to say it's from me, but it's probably from me because I'm sick. And that sucks. Alright, so I'm just going to put total here and all that stuff. Okay. So we got that. So our bills that we'll be paying with this check is going to be, actually, let me put my lines first because I feel like because I'm not used to the shape, I'm not used to this one just yet, that I might go over. This pen I'm actually using is Parku. And I like it so far. I'm gonna be doing a review on it. They did reach out to me, this company, to do a review. So I want to use it in a few videos. I'll use it for a while before I actually do a review. But I do like the fact that it is erasable. I really wish that they would make super cute pens and erasable. You know, like this is a good pen. It's, you know, it's not like horrid or anything. But I absolutely love my little diamond pens. Let me show you one. Like this. Oh, I love this. I do use it at work. But I wish they would have like something like this erasable because it's so cute. Like I know that they would sell out of that and always be sold out. But you know, it's not up to us. So let me just finish this here. Okay, there we go. So we will be paying our mortgage first. That is first and foremost. That is due on the 1st. What is that? Stop. This one we are going to be budgeting only $300 out of this check because in my last check, which was last week, we did already budget. Okay, so we're only going to be budgeting $300 for this one because we have $300 saved from our previous week. That will give us a total of the $679 that we need. Okay, and then we have our lot rent. That is $150. So we need the entirety of that one. And then we are budgeting from the 1st through the 8th. So I need to make sure I cover all the bills. Okay, so the next one is Priceline. That is a bill that comes out on the 1st as well. And it is $54.96. After that, we have my phone bill. So I'm gonna put my phone. That is $48.39. And that is due on the 5th. And then the next thing we have is our car note, and that isn't due until the 9th, which is the day after Friday when we get paid. So I'm not gonna budget anything for that right now. But what I am gonna do is I'm going to put in our Belk. Oh, Lord. I'm gonna be putting in our Belk credit card payment. And that is $129. I'm gonna just put $130 just to go over. And that is also, I'm gonna put that due on the 1st. Now our normal Belk credit card minimum payment is $25, and that is due on the 5th. So being that I'm gonna be paying this on the 1st, I don't really have to write that down. Now, let's go ahead and write down our total. Let's see, maybe I can just, oh, I keep forgetting I gotta put savings. Because savings automatically comes out, and that is $50. And that comes out on the 1st as well. Excuse me. So now I'm gonna put down this total strip here. It's not that much. It's looking really good actually. And that will be that. I'm gonna go into our sinking funds. Now our sinking funds is, let me erase these lines real fast, guys. That's one thing I love about these pens. And they don't, it's because I kind of write hard, but they really don't leave any residue. They might leave the little like indentation, but that's just because I'm heavy-handed and I do write hard. Oh man, you guys weren't even zoomed in that whole time. Sorry about that. I like you guys being zoomed in so you can actually see the numbers better. Our sinking funds total is, you know what? Every week I always kind of like do this and do that. But for this week, it is a total of $196. I'm just gonna write down here sinking funds, and I'll link that video for you guys if you haven't seen it, for March sinking funds. I did change it up a little bit. I did add a couple of things, so I'm going to say it's gonna be 196. I want to say that's the right total. I really have to go back and do it. I'm looking at my cheat sheet and I have a lot of like scribble scrabble stuff everywhere, and I have like this other page. So I want to say that's the right amount. I will make sure I double check before I go to the bank on Friday. And then we have our cash envelopes. Our cash envelopes are going to be $275. So that gives us a total of, let's see here, 196 plus 275, 471. Okay, and our total income that we are expecting is $1,183.41. Okay, and that will be on the 19th. That box is a little strange, but it's okay. So in total, let's do our total for what we plan on paying. And
that's 150 plus 200 plus 54.96, 48.39, 130 and 50.
So total expenses, my box is a little off over here. That is $733.35, and now we're going to add the 471 to that, which gives us, so we'll put bill total is $733.35, and sinking funds and cash envelopes is $471. So that brings us to $1,204.35, which actually puts us negative $20.88. So we're looking at probably we have some money saved or left over from our last week, so I'm not really worried about it. Under budgeted by $20.88. But we have some money for times like this when we have a little bit more. I mean, I don't have to put this whole $130 to that credit card because I know we'll have more money left over in other checks. We just have a lot coming out this week. And, you know, I might just do it that way. But if not, we still have money in our savings. I don't mind using, you know, putting $50, actually probably this $50 into the savings so that we can kind of cover those expenses. I don't have a problem with that because I know I'll make it up more than likely towards the end of the month. And it's also helping me get rid of this debt because that's the goal. By the end of March, I plan on paying off this credit card. So that's all that we have. I do actually want to try to start putting a little bit of decoration. I got this happy planner memory keeping that when I was trying to do memory keeping a little while ago. But I'm gonna put this cute flower over here. I know it's not a shamrock, but I'm okay with it. I think that is super cute. and I like it. And I'm gonna put this other one. I have this book. It's been a year. I bought this around March of last year, so I might as well use the stickers in it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. Okay, guys. Even though we have some red up here, like I said, I'm not excuse me, too worried about it, because we do have some money left over. And I guess that's it. We'll see how this week goes. Thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time. Bye, guys.